Leaf?
What's that?
Leaf.
Leaf. Okay.
What color is it?
Green.
Green?
Very good. What do you call that?
Color green.
Mm. What's this called?
Malunggay.
Very good.
Ay, leaf.
Leaf o malunggay?
Malunggay.
Nga ayog dool sa kabaw kay malunggay. Okay, may.
What's our ulam for today?
Hello. Lapi-lapo.
Oh, what's our ulam?
Lapo-lapo.
Wow, ang sarap.
Sarap.
Oh,
Sarap.
tinulaan, fried.
Five leaf. Ta-ta-ta-ta-ta.
Alam nga, giubo niya mo pa.
Next.
Next. Ano na? Ano ikaw kanding? Ikaw wala.
Next.
Are you done? I'm done. Wow.
Welcome.
Very good, Xander.